Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my little village. I'm Shamaila Chaudhary. I love to create. Every morning, this is the first view I see.
Today I found something beautiful by the river, and I knew exactly what I wanted to create.
Stone by stone, I started turning a simple idea into something meaningful.
Something simple from nature, created with love. Alhamdulillah.
I always find little ideas for my art here.
I don't have many colors yet, so I use whatever I have. Breakfast is always simple here, but mornings like this make me happy. Milk, tea, ginger, cardamom, sugar. Boil it,
And tea is ready.
I found this old wood and some clay. Maybe I can make something with it. Today, I'm making something special from simple clay. It's finally starting to look like a real little mosque. Just a few details left. And this is what I made. My little handmade mosque. I hope you like it. Look what happened to my village overnight. I'm going to create a little mosque with this snow. Little by little, it's starting to look like a mosque. The dome and minaret are finally taking shape. It's finished, and I absolutely love how it turned out. For this cozy soup, I'm adding potato, carrot, and peas, with a little salt, pepper, and vegetable stock. Once the vegetables are soft, I add a little cream, stir it together, and our warm winter soup is ready. This is exactly what I needed.